Okay, here I am at Williamstown in Melbourne, down by the beach. Nice location here, pretty nice. And I've got my radio here, my Kenwood TS590. What else have I got? My IC92AD, which is a D-Star 2 and 70 radio, analog 2 and 70 as well. And antenna tuner. And I've brought the Buddipole down today. The Buddipole goes in this bag here. It's probably about 3.5, maybe 4 foot long, a little bit less than 4 foot, I guess. And that's it up there. Currently configured for 40 metres. Nice big tripod there at the base. You can see that it's guide, which it has to be because there's a bit of wind down here near the coast today. And the mast up there, which is about 20 feet tall or thereabouts, and there it is. Up the top there in the middle is a triple ratio switch ballon, and there we go. That's the Buddipole. Look at that. That's a big boat, yeah.
Cái gì năm 2000 rồi 2012 tối này nghe từng thấy cái tối này mua đồ về chữa. Đó là coi là có lấy miếng sắt về coi mà có chiếc 12, 13 tầng luôn. Còn chiếc còn hậu mà chiếc liên sạch là như là 12 tầng đó, còn hậu hết gì. Ủa vậy đốt tay à? Đốt hả?
I'm not sure.
CQ, Victor Kilo 3.
Obviously a lot of money there, that's for sure. Yeah, those boats cost a few $1 million and plus. Hang on, I think I can hear something.
CQDX, Victor Kilo 3, Victor Charlie Mike, portable, calling CQDX.
No, Craig, I'm sorry, I don't think I can hear you, but you can probably hear me. It's amazing that. Oh well.
Turning on the Kenwood, hit the button up here, comes up with the call sign and hello, which is very nice. I'll tune around on 40.
VK3CRG, Merry Christmas to you and all at your place, and catch you before too long there. VK2DH Coles Net, VK2 Romeo Mike.
So there we go, there from interstate, VK2. We're in VK3 here at the moment.
5 and 7 down a bit, but a Q5 copy on your 95 watts. Kevin's about 5 and 7, Q5. And Alan was 5 and 8, just a shade over the 7. There we are. Good afternoon to Norman, 4 Lima Delta.
Okay, so there we go.
Good afternoon to Ross, to Echo
having a bit of fun
and of course our Central Coast
on Christmas Eve. See if there's anybody around on the radio.
India. Well, it's rained all day and we have never been outside today. Rained on, it's still raining now. Can't see the ocean.
Raining.
The back is full of
They're interstate. It's beautiful and sunny here in Melbourne, probably about 25 degrees Celsius, I'd say. And very few clouds up in the sky.
But Lismore might be cut off.
Alright, we'll turn on a bit of noise reduction.
VK3ATX.
Turn that other radio down. A bit of noise reduction.
The great big bridge there, that does cut off. We have to go over there tomorrow to get to the family's place just out west of Lismore. And for the Christmas Day, whether we'll make it, we'll see what the weather's like in the morning. So it's wet, 24 degrees.
There we go, a bit of noise there.
It's a bit lower now, and the steady rain is coming down. Whilst we've got town water, we've got a 1,000-gallon tank at the back, and that's the overflow pipe is running. I don't know, it didn't sound too good on the...
Currently on the Candos net. I don't know much about the Candos net, but the guys are very nice anyway.
So back to you, VK2.
CQ, Victor Kilo 3, Victor Charlie Mike Portable, Victor Kilo 3, Victor Charlie Mike Portable, calling CQDX, CQDX, Victor Kilo 3, Victor Charlie Mike Portable, calling CQDX.
VK3VCM. Peter, I think you're the guy with the YouTube account that I've subscribed to. I really enjoy your YouTube channel. Is that you?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. But you can be assured that there is no recordings going on at the moment. Back to you.
Well, Peter, I'm also recording you at this end as well. I just pulled out my video camera. I know that you do quite a bit of recording, and I've just pulled out my video camera here now, and I'm actually filming you from this end. So I'll be sure to put this up on my side. Your signal is quite low here, but look, I'm using a Buddipole antenna. It is a guide antenna. You know the Buddipole, I'm sure you do. You're into outdoors radio like I am. And currently I'm running 100 watts from a Kenwood TS590 with a Hale headset. So sitting here at Williamstown actually, Peter, if you're in northern Tasmania, I probably could have stood on the table and waved to you. But no, look, for 5 watts, I imagine you're probably running the Yaesu FT817. Would that be correct there, Peter? VK3YE, VK3VCM.
Yeah, good close. VK3VCM, VK3VCM, portable. Yes, I am running the FT817, and running about 5 watts at the moment, good afternoon to everyone on YouTube, or good morning, evening, or night, whatever time you are viewing. I'll just do an experiment, so I'll just drop the power. Okay, we're now going to 2.5 watts, 2.5 watts. VK3YE portable in southern Tasmania at 2.5 watts.
Oh, even with the preamp on, you've gone, Pete.
Now back up to 5 watts, so that's a test of dropping the power down. My QDH is Huonsville, just out of Huonsville, 40k south of Hobart, 40k south of Hobart. Just running a FT817, hopefully LMAX, and a X-Ped wire instead, about 30k, 30 metres or so long. Back to you, Craig. Hope signals are okay, and you're doing a great job down there with the Buddipole and so forth. It really sounds an excellent location. And I'm sure if I was on the north side of the island, you'd be even stronger. VK3VCM, portable. VK3VCM, also portable.
Let's wind it down. VK3YE, VK3VCM. I've turned down to 5 watts. Can you hear me now there, Peter? Can you hear me okay?
Yes, no problems at all, Craig. Your 5 watts is doing a good job. You are 5 and 5. Can you drop down even lower? Can you drop down to less? Thank you.
I'm not sure that this radio, it may let me drop down lower. I think the minimum that the 590 can put out is 5 watts. If I go to turn that, they won't let me go any lower. There may be a way I can do it, I'm not too sure, but I've only had the radio for a couple of weeks, so I've got my training wheels on there, Peter, but I'm just filming the Buddipole there. I've got it broadside to Tasmania, so you're coming in pretty well. Your signal is low, but I can hear you fine. Even when you drop down, I think you said it was 500 milliwatts, I could still hear you although it wasn't the best. So yeah, I mean, what's the difference? Okay, I'm running 5 watts now, so if I crank that up to, okay, there's 10 watts, so now running 10 watts, and I'm up now to 20 watts. There's 20, we'll go up to 50, I reckon. There we go, now I'm up to 50, and we'll crank it up to, there's 60 watts, and we'll go up to 70, there's 70 watts there now, and we'll go up to, there's 80 watts there now, VK3YE, VK3VCM, there's 90 watts, and there's 100 watts, and I'll guarantee there's probably not much difference between what the 5 and the 100. What's it like, Peter? VK3YE, VK3VCM.
Yeah, VK3VCM, VK3YE portable 7. The noise level at the moment is fairly low. The noise level is fairly low. The noise level estimator on this rig, what this test has proved is that the estimator on this rig is not that accurate. Now when you're on 100 watts, you're up to about an S8, up to an S8, and when you're at 10 watts, you're indicating S1 to 2 on the meter. And when you're at 5 watts, you're indicating many bars, but then the noise is fairly low. So I'll give you a 5.5 report for your 5 watts, which I think is a bit more representative than the number that is showing on the meter. It should be about 6 units, but with the A1 system, I reckon it's probably only about 2 dB or so between the bars. So to go from 10 watts up to 100 watts, well, the meter looks like it's going from S2 up to S8, but really it should only be going from down from that S8 down to about S6. And that should be around S5. So at the moment when there's not so much noise, the difference is certainly not a 21 to 1 difference. And also the A17 having ADC helps as well. It's a little bit different on the home lyrics of this. I haven't got that set up with me, but I did bring it down to VK7. That doesn't have any ADC, neither does it have any estimator, so the differences in that middle strength are a bit more noticeable on that. VK3VCM, VK3 portable, VK3 Echo portable 7.
VK3 Yankee Echo portable 7, VK3 VCM portable. Yeah, no worries there, Peter. Yeah, look, when I turn the preamp off on this thing, I'm getting absolutely 0 bars on the S meter, but I can still hear you okay. Noise here is relatively low, well, definitely low, because it isn't even registering on the meter. So yeah, I know I can hear you okay. I could even hear you on the 500 milliwatts, but it really wasn't the best. You basically sank into what there is of the noise floor then. So yeah, no worries at all. Now look, I'm a big fan of your exploits out and about. I do that myself. I live in an apartment at Docklands and I can't do this really from home. I have done some HF from home, but not a lot. I've spoken to JA and a few other places, but no, I'm a big fan. I've got a portable setup yeah, I really enjoy going portable, and I'm on 5 weeks off now from work, which started 2 days ago. So looking forward to doing quite a bit of HF. I'll be down at Port Arlington a lot, doing a bit down there. Be down at Geelong tomorrow, operating portable as well. So if you're out and about, listen out, because I'll definitely be on air. And yeah, I hope to bang into you again at the Hamfest. I was wrapped when you came up and said hello at Cranbourne that day. That was really good, because I think I'd only just joined your, I was subscribed to you only a couple of days earlier. So it was very, very nice to meet you. And yeah, I don't really know you, of course, but no, I certainly enjoy your videos, and always keep an eye out for your videos. I really admire someone that goes to a pier and just throws up a wire and they're on the air. I really, really like that. And yeah, we've definitely got very similar interests in this hobby.
Yeah, VK3 VCM portable 70, VK3 VK3 VCM portable Williamstown, VK3 VCM portable 7. You'll find that close. Yes, it is a family visit. I arrived down here yesterday, so I was out here for about 5 or so days. And yeah, just staying on a just a small acreage here, but not using much of it for instance. Just put up a wire in a couple of trees near the house. Now, as far as Noel, congratulations on the secretaryship and the involvement in the club. Well, that sounds great, and hope to maybe you might inspire some of the others in the club to go portable, and maybe for some of the field days or contests or something like that. And another advantage is, I suppose, of upgrading not only the ATV but also 160 metres AM, which I have actually been to Williamstown, and 160 AM propagates quite well from there, so that might also be worth a try. Now, I did do some portable operation on the way over here. I got my ferry to Devonport, and then the coach then stabilised in Devonport, and then the coach down to Hobart, and then another one down here. And just as a word of warning, I did take the equipment and I'd operated from the ferry. I had skids on 2 metres FSV. I arranged it that I would make contact every hour on the half hour that I called. Anyway, I did that, and for the first time that was successful, had a couple of contacts on 2 metres FSV, and then a contact on 40 metres FSV with the pedestrian mobile setup. That's been in a recent video. And anyway, they don't take very kindly to amateur radio on the ferry, so unfortunately I had to cease operation, and all my program was skipped every hour and listening to speaks and all that, so it couldn't happen being without my equipment for the duration of the trip, so that wasn't so good, so I had to spend the rest of the 8 hours on the ferry without the equipment. Then tomorrow, or yesterday though, I operated portable in the coach on the way down from Devonport down to Hobart, and they've got an excellent repeater in Launceston, or near Launceston, and I was in contact for quite some time along mobile through the repeater, so that was good. And then approaching Hobart, there was I think it was an echo mode that I was listening to, and I think there's some links there, the guy in Northern Tasmania that links through to somewhere to Hobart, and anyway, I was able to call it there and make contact, and as it had happened, I was going past the suburb almost to the nose of it, so I had some contact through there. And then on the other side of Hobart, it was so good because of the topography and the hills, it was a bit noisy there through the repeater there. So I had a fairly active day yesterday on 2 metres, mobile from one into the state to the other. VK3VCM portable, VK3VCM portable 7.